So I got an information that OES made a tweet on their Twitter, and after their last tweet on July 30th, that is 30th of last month, the OES actually made a post on their Twitter handle for something 57 minutes ago, according to the time I'm recording this video, and I think this is the first update. It says August, a month of progress reviews. We have been hard at work behind the scene and excited to share some big news and solid progress. So this is it. You guys can go over to their Twitter handle to read this thing. So, but according to I've read it and I want to summarize what I think they are about to say and what we are expecting. So first, they say new feature. We integrated a new prediction market smart contract and made a key update to the airdrop smart contract. This enhancement include features for locking and changing reward address, helping users to recover OES assets if private key are lost. You can read the further details. So they actually said that they're actually doing some progress, but this is not what we all want to hear. I'm speaking for every one of you here. So we actually want to know what is the next thing about the airdropping and the TGE and the listing. And again, they says TGE updates. They says we have secured significant investments. Yeah, we know you guys secured investments, especially through our fair launch, which I only contributed one core. I contributed one core to the fair launch. So this says, and confirm partnership with several exchanges with more on the horizon. These are crucial steps toward our TGE launch. Our team is focused on accelerating the process while ensuring top-notch security and so much more. So these two things are one of the two things that make me say, okay, I think OES is back now. And there's another thing again that they say, which triggered a little thing in me. They says we are committed to providing more frequent updates moving forward. So now there are no more ghosting us, according to what they says in this particular tweet. Expect our new communication, our next communication soon. No waiting until September. So this August that is actually ending, they says they are going to be updating us from this August that is already ending. They said that God so no more waiting for till September. So they say, I think the last thing they said we are confident in our progress and excited about what is ahead. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the launch. So in summary of what I just summarized for you guys now, in summary of the whole thing that it says, they actually telling us to expect something from them, both listing, TGE. They according to them, they say they have secured enough money for launch and blah 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 blah. So in summary of the whole thing, we are expecting them to do their TGE and we are expecting the launching and every other thing so soon. So although a lot of us have gotten angry about the non-communication and the long-term and scam look like of all the things that OpenES have been doing to us, that it's not what we expect from them, because the time the one thing about OES is that they don't actually go straight to the point. They always go sideways, putting curiosity into people. I know what curiosity does. It brings bad vibes, it brings suspiciousness, and you know this is crypto space. We don't know the face of the people we are dealing with, and a lot of people invested a lot of money towards them, but that's okay. I'm happy and I'm a bit relieved because I hoped on OES for a lot of things. I thought the project is going to be launched by now and I have a lot of things to do with OES, but since they have come back again and promised us to be updating us on what they are about to do, and they says we won't wait till September, that means a lot is going to happen soon. So this is airdrop season. Shout out to you guys that did dog. Shout out to you guys that participated in all the airdrops that we have been promoting and we have been promoting. So I think this is the time airdrop is about to pay us. September, August is the date. So let's see what they have for us in the coming days. As I said before, they're not going to wait till September. So let's see what they have for us in the coming days, because it says they're about to launch. So this is it. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys got value from the video. If you have anything to say, maybe you don't trust them or there is something fishy or whatever you think is going to happen or you're excited, you can talk to me in the comment section. That is where we communicate. But this is it. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys got value from it. Anyway, my name is still Benzo King and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.